Arrived at Te Papa, we sat down on the floors near the bathrooms. We were told to put the bags in a cage that was labelled Hukawhitu School, Room 7. We sat down to listen to Mr. McCarthy and he said that there will be a lady going through all the things we'll have to do. So we started off with the game exhibit. We were led by a man named Scott. Scott showed us the different kinds of games and what made a game fun. Scott told us to get into groups of 5 or 4. I got in a group with Matthew, Daniel, Mitchell, and Shahir. After that, we were given our type of game to play. It was platform. The first game was Donkey Kong. Matthew was writing down the information. The next game was Super Mario. This time I was writing down the information. Next up we played Sonic. Daniel was writing down the information. After that, we played a game called Blueberry Garden, and Mitchell was writing down the information. After that, we had morning tea. When we finished, we went to the game exhibit again. After that, we went to the Manai and did some Maori songs and speeches.
Game exhibition. I was amazed by how many games there were. There were heaps of games. My favourite game was Dancing Drill 3 because you dance to the songs you like. I was with Levi, Liam, and me. We called the bosses and we had an awesome day, and there was a porphyry. We learned all the stuff we needed to know how to enter the marae.